to try and keep himself involved in this. Look at that Biggie Smith in.
Monday morning, practice day, ready to go. Got tyres to rough, well one tyre to do, and Scotty's just heating the car up now, getting ready to do the oil change on it, and then we need to load the van up and stuff. I've got another map to put on it, to run it in, and then get it loaded in the trailer and get along, get a shot at it. Buzzing. That's oil change now, with one tyre, and we've put the new map on the ECU as well just to run it in, so Scotty's going to set the float level now, and we should be good to go. Loaded, ready to go. See how we get on. We're here, HRP. Just exactly the same as I remember it. Ready to go. Got to get it running first, and run in a wee bit, change the oil, and then hopefully get some fast laps. See if it's any good. That's us. We're at HRP Logelli today. Bran's just running the car in just now. Just trying to put some laps in it just to run the engine in. Then we'll drop the oil out of it, give it a wee quick going over again, just make sure nothing's came loose with everything being new and all powder coated. Then we should be able to, the last kind of hour, we should be able to try and put some sort of setup on it to see how it goes round here. Track's not that great today because it's been raining, so we'll see what we can do. Monday night, 20 to 10. Back in, went in for our tea after practice today. Practice was pretty good. Got the engine running and a couple of fast laps, not many. Mucked about back shockies and tracking, stuff like that. But the track was pretty bad, to be honest. There was quite a lot of water at turn 4 and then the way into, sorry, the way out of turn 2 and the way into turn 3. It's pretty wet, but we're back in and out. Going to get this rocker cover done. Over here, need to get the gasket out, drill the holes all in there, drill a hole in the back of there, and put a fitting in it. Blank that one, blank that one, and blank that one. And then rub it all down, cut these wee tabs and that off as well. Get ready to get powder coated. Jake's in the room of the night, he's over there. He's going to weld up a spare diff, because obviously I used the spare diff for the new car. I sold the old car with the main diff in it. He's going to weld up a diff for us. And aye, let's get cracked on with this and see where we end up.
Just making up a welded diff. Made this wee play out, rebending it. Should just drop right in here. Wants to sit nicely. Set that in. Weld around that, tap the 4 corners for a weld it. Put it in, weld that side, then we'll turn it around, weld the back side, got another one to make, so this is a wee bit flat bar. Rebending it just to match the same sort of curve as the diff. Once that's welded, we'll have a spare one ready to go in the van, so if we do break a diff, we've got another one. 4 corners tacked, just weld this up.
Friday night. Where we at? We've missed a couple of days, to be honest. Monday night, I was welding up my new rocker cover and the welder broke, so that was great. So my dad ran the rocker cover along to ASD. He finished off the welding that I was doing. Top man for doing that. He's bailed me out once again. Fired over to Kyle Hutchison, and he's powder coated it for us. Just white again, same as the last one. Put the fitting in the back side of the rock cover this time, just so you get a better run on the hose. We've bolted the seat in from the back. We had a wee bit of bother when we were at practice with fuel. It was like the float level was wrong. We checked it and it was alright, but it turned out there was a wee loose wire going to the fuel pump, so we managed to fix that. It's good, that's what practice is all about. Now we've painted wheels, looking sweet. Something a wee bit different. Last year we had all different colours of wheels and it was an absolute nightmare. And it doesn't look very great. And so you see pictures out in Victoria and it's got 2 different coloured wheels on it, it looks terrible. So we've done that, we've got the rock cover on, Scottish spanner checking it just now. After I'm pretty much finished my tyre prep. Load the tyres lying there, so that's good. So aye, we're getting there. We need to load the van. I'm going to get a quick wash as well and go further. Still got back brakes to adjust. See, Scott's got the wheel off just now, so I'll probably jump in and we'll adjust the brakes in a minute, and that'll be us. Get loaded up, ready to go. Wash time. I don't even know I got it dirty yet and I'm washing it already. Cleaned this thing more in the last month than I did in 3 years owning my last car, but that's the way it is. Got to make it look good for the first meeting now. Saturday, 2 o'clock, ready to go. Car's in the trailer, good to go. First meet of the season, so I'm excited, nervous at the same time. Not really sure where we'll start off with the car. Need to see what the track's like, stuff like that, but that'll be us. Be the end of this episode. Next one will obviously be the racing, and we'll try and record a wee bit of the track as well. But thanks for coming with us for the last week for practice and that, and hope you enjoyed it. Give us a wee like and subscribe if you can. Cheers.